I just wanted to make a quick video on how to install Windows 11 on a Windows 10 unsupported system without all the chit chat about everything else. First things first, you want to open a browser. You want to type Windows 11 ISO and hit enter. You want to select download Windows 11 from search results. You want to scroll down to the third one to download the ISO. You want to select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Select download now. On the next screen, you're going to select your language. So I am English, so I select English and hit confirm. Next screens, click on 64-bit download, and now you're downloading the file. Next thing you want to do